Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel that is Love with Mathematics. This is class 6 maths video. Let's start with our exercise 11C. This is the chapter name is ratios. Even I have made an introductory video of this chapter. Kindly watch that video first. Then you can learn that how to do the chapter, how to do this exercise. To watch that, I will send in a link in the description box. You can watch from that link. Okay beta, let's start with exercise. Question number 1 to 10 is in your syllabus. Our question number 1 is rupees 120 is to be divided between Hari and Gopi in ratio 5:3. Focus on this sum. If you will get that how I am doing, you can do all sums beta. It's very easy. How much does each get? He said, what is the total amount which we have to divide? Total amount is 120, right? This amount will be divided into two persons. Number 1 is Hari and number 2 is Gopi. And how much part each one is getting? Hari is getting 5 parts of this 120 and Gopi is getting 3 parts. So to do this sum, firstly we have to check that actually what are the total parts that we are doing of rupees 120. So the total parts that we are doing, firstly for that total division, that is from here we will check the total division. It's 5:3 now, so add these numbers. So this thing is clearing that rupees 120 will be divided into 8 parts. Out of 8, 5 parts will get Hari and 3 parts will get Gopi. Right? Now, the part Hari gets, or you can write Hari will get. Now how to find this beta? Whatever is the total division, you will write it into the denominator. And how much part we have to give to Hari? We have to give 5 parts to Hari na beta. Keep it into the numerator into the total amount. Total amount is 120. So cancel these numbers. 8 ones are 8, 8 15s are 120. 15 into 5, 15 5s are 75. Means Hari will get 75 rupees. And now Gopi will get, how much it will get? Again total will be written into the denominator. And the total amount that we have to give Gopi, that is 3, will be written in the numerator into total amount. Total amount is 120. Again cancel these numbers. 15. 15 3s are 45. So Gopi will get 45 rupees. Now we have one more, like how to check that our sum is going like it's right or wrong. How to check? Because he said we are doing we are dividing 120 into 5:3, right beta? So we have already done that division. So how to check sum is right or wrong? Add the numbers. 75 plus 45. Now check that is our answer is 120 or not. 5 plus 5 is 10, 7 plus 4 plus 1 is 120. So we are getting the same answer. So it's our sum is right. So okay, let's start with question number 2, in which we have to divide 72. This is the total amount, total number, into the ratio of this and this. This is similar as I have told you in the introductory video that how to solve it. Firstly, simplify the fractions. These are the mixed fractions. Simplify it. 2 to the 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 over 2. Ratio 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3, 3 over 2. Now how to solve it? Write it like 5 over 2. Ratio means division over 3 over 2. So when we have to solve the fraction, if it comes like fraction over fraction, then the denominator, which is a lower fraction, that after getting reciprocal, it becomes changed into the multiplication. So it will be written like this, into 2 over 3. This fraction will come in the multiplication after the reciprocal of this fraction. So it becomes this. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. Fraction becomes 5 over 3. It can be written as 5 ratio 3. Now we have simplified it in the previous question, but what we have did, to check the total division, we have just add on the ratios. So in this question we have did little bit more effort by simplifying it. Now we get the ratio. Now we will check the total division. So the total division of 72 is equal to 5 plus 3. It becomes, 5 plus 3, it becomes 8. So 8 means, firstly we will divide 72 into total 8 parts. Now first part will be first part will becomes 5. We have to divide it 5 ratio 3 na. So first part will be in 5. So write 5 in the numerator over total parts 8 into total number which we have to divide 72. 8 9s are 72, 9 5s are 45. Now the second and the last part is next part will be of 3. Keep 3 in the numerator over total parts into total amount, total number. 9 3s are 27. Now again we can check that whether the sum is right or wrong. How to check? By adding these two numbers. So by adding, the answer should be 72. If the answer comes 72, then your sum is right. So okay, we will do only 2 sums, and the next we will do in the next sum we will do tomorrow in the next video. So thank you.